Welcome back to my channel Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 2024. This flagship phone promises to be a game-changer with its impressive upgrades and features. Before we jump into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Let's start with the camera, one of the most important aspects of any smartphone. Samsung has once again raised the bar with the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The quad-camera setup is back, but this time with significant enhancements. The ultra-wide camera has been upgraded from a 12MP sensor to an impressive 50MP sensor, offering stunning detail and clarity. The telephoto camera has also seen a massive improvement, jumping to a 50MP sensor with an advanced 5x optical zoom. And of course, the main sensor remains a formidable 200MP, expected to be an improved version of last year's, making the S25 Ultra camera system more versatile than ever. Moving on to the battery, while the capacity remains the same as last year, improvements in AI will optimize usage patterns and background tasks, potentially extending battery life by 5 to 10%. This is great news for users who rely on their smartphones throughout the day. Now let's talk about the full specs, design, and expected pricing of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra 2024. The standard Galaxy S25 features a 6.36-inch dynamic AMOLED display with improved brightness and color accuracy. It boasts a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1080x2340, all protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. The 12MP punch-hole camera remains for selfies, and the rear houses a triple camera setup, though the exact sensors are not yet known. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in the USA and the Exynos 2500 globally, it offers 8 or 12 GB of RAM and storage options from 128 GB to 512 GB using UFS 4. The 4100 meters AA battery supports 45 AV fast charging, and the device includes 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. Launching with One UI 7 based on Android 15, it is expected to start at around $800 in January 2025. Finally, we have the flagship model, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. It boasts a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with even better brightness and color accuracy. It features a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and a resolution of 1440x3120, protected by Gorilla Glass Armor 2. We may see the first S-series phone with an under-panel camera, though it's more likely to have a 12MP selfie camera. The rear features a quad-camera setup with a wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, and periscope camera. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 globally, it offers 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage using UFS 4. The 5000 meters A8 battery supports 45 W fast charging, and it includes 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. Launching with One UI 7 based on Android 15, the S25 Ultra is expected to start at $1,300 in January 2025. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series offers notable upgrades in display, cameras, chipset, and software. If the first full-screen display on a Samsung S phone materializes, it's sure to excite many. With a strong focus on AI and the partnership between Samsung and Google, we can anticipate impressive new features. While the S25 series bears many similarities to its predecessor, those with older S phones or looking for their first S phone will find it a fantastic choice. As we approach the launch, more leaks are bound to surface, and I'll be sharing them as they come. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future updates.